Okay, my little girl want to take the rabbit out of the cage. Whoa, run, có chuột tao ơi. One stay in the cage, okay?
Comment down below what name do they need.
What is the name?
So this one's Sparkles, and the other one is
That one is Sparkle?
no, this one's Sparkles. So this one's Flower. She's down there, and then this one's just Dawn. She loves pets. Every time when we come here, she always.
Kéo được sạt nữa, theo có thọt lại nữa.
And she has an alley on the right here,
Oh, sure.
and the sink was right there.
Oh, yeah.
I told you that was right there, and then but
Because it's grabbed by the cage. Be careful, okay?
yeah, but there's no blood.
If
so
you're
that-
better. So be careful when you pull it. Be careful when you pull. Hey, be careful you pull back in there. Got the baby hurt, okay?
Okay. So this one, she sometimes they fight the cage, and so my mom puts the cage over here and it's big. Okay, this one's cover cage. So this one's a relax. Come here, Rabbit. 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 Come here. And then so she has a bug, but she's kind of shaky because she's cold, but she likes me to pet her. When I let go,
Careful,
she
don't
doesn't
jump.
want
Ooh, ooh,
to
ooh.
get back. So this is the cage of the rest of the cage. There's one right there. Jeez. So this one kind of scratched. So there is some
Chào nó.
food
Mới đâu có trả cho hả?
and some water.
Put it back. Pull him back. Careful nữa, thế chỉ hơn nữa nè, okay?
Come here. So his ears are clean, but the other ears, this ear is a little bit healed, but sometimes their ears are healed a little bit. So
Okay, enough, huh? Put it back.
don't scratch him.
Okay, careful đó, careful đừng cắt nữa nè.
I'll keep on pause it. Bye, my little beak.